Blue Bayou. It's recorded by Linda Ronstadt. It was written, not many people know, by Roy Orbison and Joe Melson. Joe used to work over at the Frost Top, fixing up grilled cheese sandwiches. He got a job as a songwriter in Nashville, so he teamed up with Roy. They both wore sunglasses all the time, so they kind of hit it off. And Linda picked up on the song, and we thought we'd do it.
2 pounds, 4 pounds, 8 pounds, $1. Well, hey, it's Rick here. I told you we'd check in on this beer from time to time. This is still perking. This is, let's see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This is day 3, so probably take about 6-7 days. I'm going to just watch the bubbles here, and when it stops doing its thing, then we'll do a hydrometer test on it and check it out. But anyway, so I thought I'd bring you along today because we're going to get these pears cut up and put in this bucket. Now, I've got my sterilizing stuff in here, so we want to wipe this all down, and we're going to drain it out of here like that. And I've cleaned the lid off. And then we're just going to dump it all out here. Spin it around a little, like that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cut up these pears over here, and we're going to put them into this. So we're just going to fill it up pretty full of pears, and then we'll top it off water, and we're going to put some crushed up Camden tablets in it, and that will kill any yeast that's still on here. I washed all these, but you know, I'm sure there's still some wild yeast on there, so we want to control it just kind of like we do when we make our beer. So alright, let me get a knife and I'll show you more. Okay, so we're just going to cut this into some chunks. It's going to take a little while. Just going to cut them up. I'm just going to scoop all that in there. Now I did somewhat core them, something similar to this. See, that one's bad, so we don't want to put anything like that in there. So we're going to get rid of that kind of stuff. Okay, so I think you get the idea. So we're just going to cut this stuff up, and we're going to fill this bucket up, and then I'll show you more. Alright. Okay, so I've got them things all cut up, and I've got 5 Camden tablets in here. That's what these little babies are. And this will, I'm going to crush these up. And then I'm going to turn this on. I want to fill this up with water to about, pretty high. And I want to incorporate this in. And then we'll stir it around. Okay. Alright, so we'll let that fill and I'll show you more. Okay, so that thing is about full. You can see that. Now I'm going to take and stir that a little with my big spoon. Just mainly I want to make sure that Camden tablets crushed up are all incorporated. Okay? So we're going to set that up over here on the counter. Yeesh. And we're going to put our lid on it. Then we're going to get us an airlock and put on there. Fill that up to the line there, wherever that's at.
Yes, ma'am. Suppose you want to talk to me. What about whatever an older man talks to a younger man about at a time like this?
Now this shouldn't perk like this one is, because we put that Camden tablets in there to kill the bacteria, so we shouldn't get any reaction. So we're going to let that set probably a week or two, actually, and let that start to dissolve and get the juices out of it. I'm going to look at it every other day or so, and I'll be able to tell. I'll keep it stirred, and you'll be able to tell when it's, we don't want it to rot. So we just want to get the juice and the flavor out of the pears. So, all right. So I appreciate you coming along, and I'll show you more as we get ahead. And like I promised you, when we get ready to bottle this, I'll film that as well. So be sure and like and share, and ring that bell. And subscribe today if this is your first time watching. All right. Bye.
I was walking down the street, I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.